You're doing a good job.
Walk up.
You're doing a good job, girl. Stand. Out. Nice. She kind of corrected on her own to help take some pressure off and went out.
Mister and Colorado were both looking over the arm of the couch last night. By the time I figured out how to take a picture with my camera, I couldn't get. They were gone.
We're going out. A little bit. Good. Let her kind of come on. Easy. Good job. Good job. Ask her to take a couple of steps. Walk. Walk. Stand. Good. The reason I said that, there wasn't going to be more than 2 steps you could take without wanting to bust.
Yes.
Beautiful, Celia.
Out.
Out. Easy go.
Walk. Out. Easy.
Walk. Kind of give and take on her lead. Easy, so it's loose as possible. Easy. Stand.
No, that's a
Stand. Stand. Stand.
Didn't know what to do with them.
Yeah.